Are you curious what makes major and minor scales different? I've got Bach and Beethoven here to explain. Sometimes when I play a scale, it sounds happy, but other times it sounds sad. Why is this happening?
It's simple. The happy-sounding scale is in a major key. Since the second scale is in a minor key, it sounds sad.
That is cool. Now, I'm curious, what makes major and minor scales different?
There's one major difference. But it'll seem minor once you know it. Oh.
Let's explore what makes major and minor scales different. You'll even learn some formulas along the way to help you build your own scale. Before we look at how major and minor scales are constructed, you need to know two simple units of measurement on the keyboard: half steps and whole steps. A half step is the distance from one key to the very next one, such as a white key to a black key, or from a black key to the next white key. A whole step is the distance from one white key to the next white key, or from one black key to the next black key. Look a little closer, and you'll notice that B and C and E and F don't have a black note between them. This means that the distance from B to C and E to F is a half step, not a whole step. Now, let's look at the formula for a major scale. Pick any note on the piano to start. Play 2 whole steps, a half step, 3 more whole steps, and another half step. This is a major scale. To hear this in action, listen to the C major scale. What I love about major scales are their bright and positive tone. Songs played in major keys generally feel happy, which is how you should feel after learning this fun formula. As you'd expect, the formula for a minor scale is a little bit different. Choose any note on the piano to start, and then play 1 whole step, a half step, 2 whole steps, another half step, and then 2 more whole steps. Now, let's listen to the simplest minor scale, A minor. Notice how different a minor scale sounds. Minor keys make a song sound melancholy, pensive, or serious. Using these formulas of half and whole steps, you can start on any note of the piano, black or white, and build your own major or minor scale. If you keep exploring, you'll realize that there's 12 major keys and 12 minor keys. Have fun experimenting and exploring these new key signatures.
There's something else they need to know. Of course! There's a fascinating connection between major and minor. Each major key has a cousin in the minors called the relative minor. If you want to find the relative minor, start on the first note of the major key, then count down 3 half steps, also called a minor third. For example, C major's relative minor is A minor.
So even though major and minor are different, they're actually related? That is so cool.
Both the differences and similarities boil down to half and whole steps.
Thanks for teaching me how to do this. I can hardly wait to build my own scale. Wait! If you're looking for more beginner piano tips and exercises, click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any exciting new videos. Happy piano playing!